Hey market mavens, let's talk Eurozone inflation, because things are getting heated. Despite whispers of rate cuts swirling around Davos, Portugal's central bank chief, Mario Centeno, is singing a different tune. He says Eurozone inflation is finally moving in the right direction, even if his peers are sounding more hawkish. Centeno's optimism, he dismisses concerns about overshooting by emphasizing the ECB's commitment to medium-term inflation at 2%, not monthly fluctuations. He points to their forecasts through 2025, all showing inflation firmly anchored around the target. This, he argues, justifies their data-dependent approach and avoids premature tightening. Credibility on the line, Centeno stresses the importance of maintaining the ECB's credibility. Anchoring inflation expectations at 2% is a major win, and deviating too quickly could jeopardize it. Shifting pressures, he believes the inflationary storm clouds have mostly cleared. The initial energy and supply chain shocks that sent inflation skyrocketing to 10.6% last October have faded, and domestic pressures are now the main concern. This could pave the way for a slower approach to rate hikes. Hawks circle the sky, but Centeno's optimism faces headwinds. His hawkish colleagues, like Austria's Robert Holzmann, see recent data pointing in the opposite direction of rate cuts. He even doubts any cuts this year, defying market expectations. The market dilemma: so, where does this leave us? Investors, used to dovish whispers, are now facing a potential pivot to a more hawkish stance. This uncertainty could create turbulence in the markets. Key takeaways: Eurozone inflation is finally trending downwards, but risks remain. ECB faces a balancing act between managing inflation and maintaining market confidence. Data dependency might give way to a more hawkish stance based on recent trends. Stay tuned, stay informed, the Eurozone inflation saga is far from over. Keep your eyes peeled on upcoming data releases and ECB pronouncements. We'll be following every twist and turn, bringing you the latest insights and analysis, right here on Forex Trading,